Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys the quick and easiest way on how to do the butterfly locks. So the hair I'm using is from the brand called the Freetress brand, and it's their 3 times popping twist, which is easy on your hands and easy to separate. And I'm also using it with the water wave Freetress brand. So I'm using the two hair together, and the popping twist can also be used for other styles like crochet, distress locks, twists, and other styles that you want. So the Freetress locks really helps with the styles. It's really helped the texture and everything. So I will be combining the two of the hair together for the style. So stay tuned. So you want to section out the size. For this size, I'm doing the medium, and I'm going to start braiding with a popping twist. As you can see, it's very easy to separate. It saves you a lot of time, which is one thing I really love about this hair. And I'm just going to braid it all the way down to like 1/4 of an inch. She doesn't want it too long, just a little bit past her shoulder. So next thing to do is to slide your crochet needle under the hair with the water wave, and make sure one of the strands of the hair is longer than the other one. So I'm left-handed, so the hair on my left hand side will be longer than the one on the right hand side. So if you're right-handed, the one on your right should be longer than the left, and you just keep wrapping for like 3 to 4 times. You slide in your thumb and you wrap once again, and then you take out your thumb, and then you wrap like 2 times, adding your thumb again in the middle of the water wave hair. As you can see me doing it, hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing. Just keep watching. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to leave it down below. And this is what we have so far. I just love everything about the texture of the hair, and the cool thing about it is that it's good for all hair texture, natural, whatever hair texture that you have.